welcome back. Today we're making country fried steak. Now, country fried steak is a delicious recipe that down here in the South, we eat it up. We eat it up all the time.
Do you have any other shirts?
This is a costume. I gotta wear the same shirt. I clean my clothes. I gotta wear the same shirt so they know who I am. I might get confused.
That's pretty stupid.
Anyway, we try not to have it 25 minutes, okay? All right. So, first, we're gonna get in. We're gonna do it a little different this time. The first thing we're gonna get into is our meats and our rest of our ingredients. So let's start with our meat we're using. Let's hit it. So, here we got top sirloin. Top sirloin. Now, I cut this 1/2 an inch. 1/2 an inch. It's like an inch, but only half of it.
Why do you have a judge's mallet?
It's a tenderizer. We're about to beat this, okay? So, once you get it all set up, I've already kind of tenderized it. It looks delicious.
Looks like a dirty rock.
So now, I'm going to tenderize my next 2 pieces, all right? So get your spiker side of your mallet. Actually, let's bring the camera in for this. We're going to cut to the camera part where you're bringing it in.
Oh.
All right, so we got to beat our meat. Oh, not in a nasty way.
That was gross.
I didn't mean it to be nasty sounding.
Why just say it like that?
It wasn't meant to be said like that. Shut your mouth. Now, we're trying to get it as flat as possible. All right? Add that to it. Here's another piece. Now, I've already got it pretty flat from when I cut it so thin. But now we're going to get it even flatter. All right. That's just about good. I know it looks a little tore up, but if not, it ain't going to cook it right. All right. So, let's cut back to our other cam. You're just tenderizing, and you got something going on.
Hurry up, you know.
I don't care. I got some frustration I gotta get out. Oh, we're dealing with you. It's the camera! Turn the camera off! All right, well, before we go to our next step, we're gonna add black pepper. Now, this is 1 tablespoon of black pepper.
Clean that cotton board.
1 tablespoon of black pepper. Now, what we want to do is we want to sprinkle it. I call this the because it just makes me feel like I'd make that sound. It feels very loud. See, watch. Now we're going to sprinkle it. We're going to sprinkle it. Oh, it's not there yet. Oh, there you go. Now we're going to sprinkle it on each one. Now, don't go crazy. Now we're going to let this sit to the side. Now remember, we're making white gravy. So that pepper is not going to hurt it too bad.
I like brown gravy.
Well, go watch another video. Why don't you go watch like Paula Deen or something and shut your mouth. Just let me do what I'm doing. We're all trying to be entertained, have a good time, learn how to cook a little meal or something. Shut your mouth. Now, I'm not done doing my sprinkle. All right.
That's still stupid.
I don't understand what that was. All right. Now, make sure we spread it evenly. We're going to show a picture and a video right after this or this. Right now. Wait, don't. What you doing? Hold up. Right now. Now hit the button. Right now. All right. Now that we got our meat sitting over there, we're going to let that sit for a little bit. We're going to get
40 yards.
Only a couple minutes. It ain't gonna take long. All right? So, we're gonna get our batter ready. Now, first thing,
I don't like baseball.
we're not playing baseball. We're cooking food. All right?
It's a batter.
I'm about to batter your face in, okay? Just pay attention. All right? Now, we're going to do about 3 cups of flour. All right? We're going to get that in here. Ooh. And then we're going to do 2 cups of breadcrumbs. It sounds like a weird thing to be doing. But, you know, it's good, okay? Just trust me.
I don't.
The only thing you trust in is the IRS to give you your free money every year. I know that you're acting like you're disabled when you're walking around acting cool. I know everything. So, 2 tablespoons of slap your... 2 tablespoons of slap your mamas. Oh, yeah. Put that to the side now. We're gonna mix this up real nice. Let's go ahead and get it zoomed in onto the cam over here. Here we go. Good shot. We mix it up. We use our hands down here in the South.
I use a blender.
Probably because you a bitch. We use our hands down in the South, all right? So let's shake the... Shake, shake, shake. I like singing a little song when I shake my... Shake, shake, shake. I wash my hands. Not for the flour. Now, can we just pay attention? Now, a shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake that gunk off. Oh, I like that one. Now look at that. That's looking good. What light? Ooh, both lights. All right. So now we're going to make our liquid batter. We're going to zoom out for that one, all right? Be right back. All right. So now we're going to do our liquid batter. Now, we're going to do 2 cups of whipping cream. All right?
That was creepy.
You're creepy. Your face is creepy. And we're going to do 4 eggs. All right?
Whole eggs.
No, half eggs. So stupid. I don't understand you sometimes.
You screwed up on the first one.
I don't ever screw up on anything ever. Everything I do is perfect. Everything you do is stupid.
Oh, so you looked in the mirror?
Oh, the only thing I see in the mirror is awesome. All right. Now we're going to whisk it up.
Why not use a mixer?
Because I'm going to mix your face into the ground. Could you just shut up? Oh, yeah. That's what we want. Oh, hello. I'm still here. Now, look. Oh, yeah. I don't feel like zooming the camera in. All right. Now, we're going to move on to our next step. But before we do that, we need to turn our grease on. So let's turn that on.
How do you turn on the grass?
Yeah, you make the knob go sideways. Shut up! We're going to turn our grease on to high. And then I'm going to show you our little trick we do down here in the South that helps us figure out how hot the grease is and if it's ready to cook your meat. We'll be back when that's ready. All right, so now I'm going to teach y'all an old Southern trick on how to check to see if your oil's right. Now, we want our oil temperature to be about 350.
Okay,
now,
Grandpa.
Now, I'm going to show y'all how to do it without actually having to check the temp of your grease. I have not checked the temp of this grease, but I guarantee we're ready. So you get the end of this. See this?
Wow!
Come here, I'm spanking your booty. get the end of this, stick it in your grease. Now, I'm going to show you how it's supposed to look when you know your grease is done. It's got to be a wooden spoon. Now, let's go to the grease. I'm going to show you how it looks whenever it's supposed to be ready. Let go. Now, when you stick it in, you see it bubbling right there? That means, look at it. See that?
It's about to explode.
That means your grease is ready. It's ready to be putting your product in, right? Now, remember, if you're a first-time cook, be careful with your grease. This could cause a fire. Treat it with care, treat it with respect. Stick your spoon in. If it starts kind of cooking your spoon, we're ready to go. Did you see the bubbles? Let's watch it again, just to be safe. Just to be safe, let's watch it again. Ooh, that grease is ready. That's a good trick. We'll go back to the back cam. Let's go. All right, now it's time to batter our food, all right? So I like to set my pans up like this. Meat, wet batter, dry batter, grease. Now, we're not gonna double batter this meal because we don't want to allow, we're trying to cook the steak to be good, not to be chewy. What's wrong with you? So what we're gonna do is,
Why you don't double batter?
I'm gonna double batter my foot in your ass. Just shut up. So, remember our steak we did? Let's do this. Oh. And then we're gonna put it in our batter. Now remember, our batter over here, our grease is ready to go. Right? It's so thin. I think we can go ahead and add it. Let's go. Now, don't go overboard when you're doing it, because we don't want to cause a fire. If you're a new time cook, be very careful here. It can cause a big fire. So, we're going to repeat this step with the rest of them, and we'll be right back when I got them cooked. Then we're going to make our gravy, and then it's ready to go. My hands are disgusted.
I call it told you batter.
We'll be right back. Now, I want to slip this in here. Now, make sure you're watching your time. Whenever your product starts to float, it's ready. Let's go to the cooking cam real quick so you see what I'm talking about. Now, when you can bump it and it kind of moving, see it moving? See that? That means it's done. Now, that is ready to be eaten. Look how good that looks. Now, remember, you can put
That looks like Australia.
you kind of look like a bitch. Put it on my face. Now, when you bump it, you saw how I bumped it and it moved? That's when you know it's done. Now that I told you that, I can't believe I forgot, I'm going to do the rest of them. We going to come back when I'm done. All right. So, our dish is ready. I'm going to serve you the dish. Well, all right. Looking good. Now, if y'all decide to cook my dishes, post a picture to Cooking with Terry Jenkins on Facebook. I got my own page. I'm fancy. All right.
That's cringy.
You're cringy. Your whole face is cringy. So, if you post them, I might put them in my next video. Try to build a community here. You know what I'm saying? All right. Y'all enjoy and have a good rest of y'all's night.